Hey, this is Kevin. You are back in the project cave with me, and today we have an unexpected project. I got my Dragon all dressed up. That's my toddler. Took her out to the Dragon Wagon. That's my 2015 Ford F-150. And turned the ignition on. Tire pressure monitoring system said 8 psi in the right rear tire. It's down to 6 now, but I have a tire patch kit. The tire has a nail right in the middle of it, so we're going to patch it up, get it back on the road. Alright, I got my Slime Deluxe Tire Plug Kit. They make an even more advanced one, but it's like 20 bucks. I think there's about 10. It comes with the piece to scuff up the tire, the piece to insert the string, 8 strings, and some rubber cement. So we left the nail right here so we could find the hole. We're gonna pull out. There's still some air coming out. Let's open this up. Alright, the tire's now patched and back on the Dragon Wagon. It is nice to have a good set of tools. Makes the job a lot easier. The tire patch itself was a little bit of a pain trying to enlarge that hole and scuff it up for the patch, but it is done, it is holding air, and it's back on the truck. If you like that video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, tell me what you think of this project or what you'd like to see in a future episode, and ring that notifications bell. Find out what's coming up. Don't miss any projects. This is Kevin. I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.